This video explains how you can view the resolution of the image or photo in iPhone. So normally when you take the photos, you can't see like the details of the photo, like what is the resolution, what is the size and all that things. So if you want to do that, you will have to install one application called as Snapseed. This is the application developed by Google. So you can install that application Snapseed. It is available on Android as well as iPhone. Once you open that application, you have to click on open button over there and then navigate to the image that, and then click on I button over there. Over there you will see that image size as well as the resolution, and it also displays other details like what was the aperture number and focal length, and all that information is given over there. Thanks for watching this video.